Let us see an experiment for home automation using RFID and relay. RFID is an input and relay is output. The flowchart explains powering the RFID to 3.3 volts, relay to 5 volts and 5 volts to the ESP32. Now connecting the RFID to ESP32 as input and output to the relay from ESP32. Write the code in the Arduino IDE for the desired input and output device selected to perform this event. Include the library SPI.h and MFRC522.h for RFID. Declare the pin for RFID that is GPIO5, 4 for serial clock and reset for RFID. Define the relay pin to GPIO33. Now we code inside void setup. We begin the serial monitoring function to set the baud rate. Initially we begin the RFID default function. To activate pin function, we use the pin mode for relay as output. Now serial print function to print, approximate your card to the reader. Inside void loop. Using if condition digital write relay pin is low in case new card is not present and if card is not read by the reader. Initially assign the content as empty string. Using for loop reading the RFID cards subsequently by the reader. Concatenate function to store the RFID data as single word. If the condition is true, activate relay using digital write command. Using uppercase function to convert lowercase to uppercase. Again using if condition, RFID card is present, relay will be high using digital write command. Finally stop using the PCD command which is proximity coupling device. Now save the program, click the tools and select the particular board and select the port. Verify the program and finally uploading to ESP32. Here the circuit diagram shows the actual wire connections being used. RFID, radio frequency identification, uses electromagnetic fields to automatically identify and track tags attached to objects. These radio waves transmit data from the tag to a reader, which then transmits the information to an RFID computer program. Some of the common uses of RFIDs include inventory management, asset tracking, cargo and supply chain logistics, retail applications, etc. Relays are electrically operated switches that open and close the circuits by receiving electrical signals from outside sources. They receive an electrical signal and send the signal to other equipment by turning the switch on and off. Relays are normally used in the control panels, industrial automation and automobiles to control the power along with switching the control circuit.